Hi guys, I'm Ted Ballard, Research Coordinator here at Burrus Hybrids. With spring rapidly approaching, planters coming out of the sheds and seed deliveries getting made, one of the areas that I think often gets looked is the importance of seed flow and getting that seed properly out into the furrow. One thing that I think is definitely going to help you guys is a product that we carry here at Burrus called SuperFLOW Advanced. SuperFLOW Advanced is a fluency agent. It's a polymer, unlike graphite and talc. So you're going to find that it's less dusty, so it's easier to breathe around. Less abrasive on that seed treatment, which we all know has a good cost and investment to you, and is overall going to help you with proper uniformity in seed stand, seed flow from that meter through the tube, and ultimately greater yields. What you're going to find with SuperFLOW here is 1/8 of a cup is going to treat 1 unit. We're going to also find this container here is going to treat up to 250 units. So you're going to be able to get a good savings on your overall investment there. So guys, when you're looking for that next product to bring to the farm with seed delivery, make sure you talk to your account manager or agronomist about SuperFLOW and have that brought to the farm when you're out there in the field.